Welcome to a world of delicious breakfast classic. In this recipe, we are combining the flavors of pizza with a breakfast tapo. Why buy pizza when you can make yours right in your home? Introducing our homemade pizza plantain frittata. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell and let's have fun together. Kindly watch till the end for the full recipe and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. Let's go straight into the video. The uniqueness in this recipe is we will be making use of coconut oil, which will give it a divinely aroma. Let's begin by slicing the spring onions. Do you know that spring onions are rich in vitamin A, C and K and contains antioxidants which can support immune health? Both the green and the white part are edible and has a mild flavor. Let's wash and slice the lettuce. Lettuce is low in calories but rich in water content, which helps with hydration and contains vitamin A, C and K. Its antioxidants can support eye health and immune function. Next is cucumber. We will be bringing out the seed just like that. Cucumber are about 95% water, making them one of the most hydrating vegetables you can eat. Its cooking effect is while they are often used to soothing skin and reduce puffiness around the eyes. Then we chop the fresh pepper. You can make use of habanero pepper or scotch bonnets, especially the red ones. They have more vitamin C than oranges, making them a powerhouse for immune support and skin health. Then you wash and bring out the seed from the green pepper. Green peppers are the only type of bell pepper that is harvested before fully ripening. They are rich in chlorophyll too, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Then our carrots. Wash and scrape off the skin. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A, essential for eye health and good vision. Then our washed tomato. You can make use of 1, 2, depends on how you like it. Tomatoes contain lycopene that may help protect against certain cancer and heart diseases. Onions are natural antibacterials that can boost heart health. You can cut it like that just as ring, you can dice or you chop it. And one of our major ingredients, plantain. Make sure you're using a ripe plantain. Plantain are starchy and are excellent source of potassium and fiber, supporting digestion and heart health. Here you want to make sure the plantain is very flat because we are not frying it first before making use of it. We are going in with it like this. So you want your your plantain to be well done. So you need to make it very, very flat, just like that. And there, coconut oil. We'll be making use of coconut oil for the frying. Anyways, you can make use of any oil of your choice, olive oil or any other oil. As we know that coconut oil is unique among oils, if you haven't watched my video on how I made this coconut oil from scratch, kindly do so now. The link is in the description box below. But this coconut oil is giving it a unique aroma. The aroma is giving. You will want to try it with coconut oil and you will see what I'm talking about. The aroma is just everywhere. Before we continue, you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, healthy lifestyle, and so on. Just check out the description box below to see how you can access them. There you can see the color from the green to the red to the yellow. Now it's time to flip it over. You can make use of any flat plate of your choice. Just be very careful because here it is very, very hot. Then you flip it over and gently move it in just like I did. Then allow it to fry as well. Then there you have it. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Which oil do you prefer? There, yummy meal time. This unique recipe is perfect for brunch idea, for lazy Sunday mornings, or a fun breakfast option. You can make this for family, friends, kids will definitely love this. So why buy pizza when you can make yours just like this, straight from your own kitchen? Don't forget to watch the video on how I made that coconut oil from scratch. The link is in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you can get more of my videos when I drop them, and kindly follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.